Okay. Whew. This has been a long time coming. Okay. Rebrand. Let's go. How's my hair? Okay. So why are we rebranding now? Well, it's been a decade and it's time. I really believe brands have to evolve and reinvent themselves at least every 10 years. And I'm sure you'll agree, the curly hair space has changed a lot in the last decade. Now, there are more choices, more brands, which is incredible, but somehow it's also become more complicated. A lot of hair typing, a lot of judging, a lot of questions, and for a brand that was built on hair typing, we looked in the mirror and realized that we're also part of the problem. So in order to do what's right and truly make curly hair care simple for our consumers, we had to evolve. So what's actually changing here? Just the look of the packaging or the products too? I want to assure you that our formulas remain 100% the same. So the same clean, vegan, safe, effective formulas that you have come to know and love over the last 10 years is what's inside the new packaging. The look of the logo has evolved, the look of the packaging has evolved, and you'll see that now you can shop by collections, which are organized in different colors, but everything inside the bottles and tubes remain unchanged. If you have fine, wavy hair and you're worried about weight, I strongly recommend you try our new Moisture Milk. This intense moisture product is super lightweight and it's going to serve great on its own when you just need to give your hair some needed hydration or as a base for your other styling products. If you're looking for volume, I recommend you try our volumizing foam after you've applied the Moisture Milk. If you're looking for hold, I recommend you try one of our gels, either our Irish Sea Moss gel, which is a medium hold, or our strong hold gel. But the trick is to be super light-handed when applying your gels. So apply your Moisture Milk as a base. Then when you're scrunching out your hair, just a little bit, and I'm talking like a dime-sized amount of gel, scrunch throughout your hair for hold and definition, but not weight. If you have thick, wavy hair, you might actually benefit from switching to our curl defining lotion, which is the former curly all-in-one. If you have thicker, denser hair, you're probably wondering if you're still gonna get enough hold and moisture without the Kinky Coily product. And the answer is yes. Recently, we launched our Strong Hold Gel, which I believe is one of the strongest hold gels in market today. And now we've introduced our Moisture Infusion Butter, which is a luxurious leave-in treatment. It will give your hair, especially if you have really dry, thirsty curls, that true infusion of moisture that your curls need. You can use this as a standalone leave-in treatment, or you could use it as a super moisturizing thick base to add other styling products such as the Strong Hold Gel on when you're looking for more hold and definition. Is this safe for color-treated hair? Yes, of course. Play with your hair, have fun. Our products are designed to help keep your hair healthy, even if you want to play around a little bit and, color your hair from time to time or straighten it from time to time. There's no judgment here. Do you need to change your routine with this new rebrand? Absolutely not. If you're like me and you're looking for simplicity, you might find that our iconic 3-step system is all you need, and that's fine. On a day-to-day basis, I still use our 3-step system after a decade of using these products. So our shampoo, our conditioner, and our curl defining lotion might be enough for you. Or you might find you need a little bit more moisture, more volume, more definition, more hold, and that's great. That's where other products from our Style and Refresh collection or our Treat and Restore collection or our Skill Care collection can come in to help you achieve your look your way. So what's happening to our beloved Deep Con and Repair? Well, as a brand, it's our responsibility to stay on top of the newest and best technology where ingredients are concerned. And last summer at a trade show, our director of R&D came across an incredible ingredient that, without giving too much away, it truly repairs hair strands from the inside out. And while our current deep con repair formula is incredible, we simply found a way to make it even better. We are working on a new product that will combine all of the benefits that you've come to know and love from our deep con formula into something new and incredible. Stay tuned. Got more curl questions? No problem. We have a dedicated team of curl experts who are here to help you anytime. Reach out to us today.